Are you at a place in life where it's time to think about what's next for your career? Maybe stuck in a job with limited advancement opportunities and income, or one that's not using your skill sets or interests. Are you a recent high school graduate? If you don't have time or interest to pursue a 4-year degree, a 2-year program at Spoon River College could have you ready to take a well-paying job right after completion.
I'm Todd Thompson, alumni and instructor at Spoon River College. Fall enrollment is now open for our diesel and power system technology and ag business management programs. Our 2-year hands-on programs provide the training and curriculum for success. Since demand in the Midwest is high, many of our students graduate and immediately start work with established companies. Contact Spoon River College now to enroll for fall classes. This is a great opportunity for men and women of all ages. Spots are limited, so call 1-800-DEGREES or visit src.edu today.